In this video, we'll talk about how to set time and date in Windows 11. Method 1. Set time and date automatically. Right-click the clock on the taskbar. Click Adjust Date and Time. Here, turn on Set Time Automatically and set the time zone manually from the drop-down. Method 2. Set time and date manually. Right-click the clock and choose Adjust Date and Time. Turn off Set Time Automatically. Click the Change button. Set the correct date and time, and click Change to apply. Method 3. Sync time with Internet server. Right-click the clock and choose Adjust Date and Time. Scroll down and click Additional Clocks. In the Internet Time tab, click Change Settings, enable Synchronize with an Internet Time server, and click Update Now. Now click OK, and close it. So that's how you can set time and date in Windows 11. See you in the next video.